Yes, you can go to grad school.
You've realized that a graduate degree is your next step to move up or out of where you are.
And we are ready to help you move forward.
We have 24 advanced degree programs in education, business and leadership, health and human services, the arts, and humanities.
Most of these degrees are either full or part-time, so you have the flexibility you need if you have a full-time job or a family.
Or a full-time job and a family. We have small class sizes with an average of 14 students and a student-to-faculty ratio of 10 to 1.
Nazareth is famous for its experiential learning. Your internships or clinical placements will give you hands-on experience with real clients throughout your program.
You'll have a personalized career coach available during your time at NAS and career coaching throughout your life.
NAS provides academic and personal support such as student accessibility services, tutoring and learning labs, academic success coaching, and health and counseling.
We will help you identify ways to make your grad program more affordable through grants, scholarships, discounts, graduate assistantships, and low-interest loans.
Applying to NAS is free, and you'll find all the steps laid out on nas.edu.
And Chelsea and I are here to answer any questions you have.
So yes, you can go to grad school.
And NAS could be where you start a whole new chapter of your life. Welcome to the Flyer family.